So we're doing decoration of every belongings that is on us. It's quite confusing actually, and the guide was explaining mostly in Malay. The idea is that we don't leave anything on the mountain, so we come back with everything on us, the trash and every item. Make things easy, bring as little things with you as possible, only what that is absolutely necessary. Can cut short the registration timing. Although it's only 1,200 over meter, but it says to be more tedious in the climb with a lot of ladders and steep slopes. So I hope that I didn't overpack. There is packed food provided, but we are not bringing that up because we need to heat it up. So we are leaving the pack here, most of us.
Before we start hiking, we need to know what we can do and what we cannot do in Gunung Ledang. We have 8 checkpoints through our journey. Okay, we need to arrive at Simpang Berita before 10:30. Before 10:30, if we arrive there, we will go through KFC. If we arrive there after 10:30, we need to go to another alternative way. We call it shortcut. When we go to KFC, KFC is the Kidding Fitness Center, not Kentucky Fried Chicken. Okay, before we need to arrive at the CP7 before 1:30. And then at the summit, the COT will be 2:30. That is the most late time we can be up there, and 2:30 we need to go down.
You must be here before 7 o'clock. If you more than 7 o'clock, we are penalty you for 1 hour is 50 ringgit.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never like those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back, bro. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at the getaway. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-4 way. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. One, too many, I'm going. Too crazy and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times, live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mine. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my. Chandelier, limousines. Really think I'm seeing things.
There's a lot of takeaway from this climb. Number one being never overestimate yourself and underestimate the terrain. Coming out of COVID, haven't been to any mountain. The first one after COVID is only 240 meter, and this is 1,200 plus meter. Unknowingly, I picked a mountain that is ranked number 6 in Malaysia. Kinabalu ranking 12. So yeah, bite off more than I can chew. So this serves as a warning and precaution for myself in future trekking. Number one, as much as the photographer in me want to bring as much gear as I want to on this trek, even though I downsized my camera to APS-C ZFC camera, I'm feeling every bit of the weight. So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna train real hard, and hopefully I can bring some gears with me. Number two, take the energy gel from the very beginning. Don't wait halfway when you're depleted, when you feel like you are not making it. Take it from the very beginning.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never like those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back, bro. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at the getaway. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-4 way. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. One, too many, I'm going. Too crazy and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times, live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mine. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my. Chandelier, limousines. Really think I'm seeing things. Read the line in between. Yellow light, I gotta speed up. Get home to a cold shower. Need that pronto. Look like a rave at the condo. Heck of a night in Toronto. She said, boy, you in Morocco. Pearl white mention in the top gold. Fill up my cup with the pop, whoa. High off life in the spot, though. Running out the visa, really talking to a real life Mona Lisa. Jesus pieces hanging off the fleecer. So much going on, it's hard to focus on the features. I got too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's in the way we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times. Live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mind. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my, oh my. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Just reach out.
Yeah.
Wow. So you come from Little.
Yeah, I know.
Guys are like that.
I know. Oh, both my legs are cramping.
You've been exciting from the beginning.
Oh no, I mean, cannot last that long. Only the interesting part. Oh, you all make it to the 10:30 path, is it?
Yeah, made it to the campsite.
So is that harder, right? That's harder, right? Same on this path, I think lesser rope than the others.
Congrats.
Oh, my shoulder blade is breaking apart already. Hey, yeah, my shoulder made it.
Congratulations.
Oh, yeah. Can't believe it.
Bobby.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Both my calf is cramping already.
Okay. I heard that there's some muscle cramp. Yeah, take from Mary.
Oh.
Yeah, take from.
Off life in the spot, though. Running out the visa, really talking to a real life Mona Lisa. Feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never like those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back, bro. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at the getaway. Shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-fold weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. Whoa. Too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's in the way we left that.